Poor indoor air quality can seriously mess with your health and comfort, so you gotta tackle it head on to keep your home feeling fresh and safe. Alright, so first off, get yourself a good air purifier that fits the size of your room. This helps catch dust, allergens, and other nasty stuff floating around. Next, don't slack on changing your HVAC filters. Dirty filters just recycle bad air and make everything worse. Also, check for any duct leaks because those sneaky holes let all kinds of pollutants in and waste energy, so sealing them up tight is a game changer. Keep humidity in check too. Too much moisture leads to mold, which nobody wants hanging out indoors. Open your windows sometimes to get fresh air moving through, especially when you're cooking or using strong cleaners. Avoid smoking inside because cigarette smoke is one of the worst air pollutants you can have at home. Use natural or low-chemical cleaning products to cut down on harsh fumes. And if you've got pets, bathe and groom them regularly so pet dander doesn't pile up in the air. One of the biggest mistakes people make with indoor air quality is ignoring regular filter changes. When filters get clogged, they stop working and can actually spread more dirt around instead of cleaning the air. Fix this by setting a reminder every 1 to 3 months, depending on your filter type. Another common issue is duct leaks. They can cause your heating and cooling system to work harder and bring in dust and allergens from places like the attic or crawl space. You can hire a pro or use duct tape and mastic sealant to patch these leaks yourself if you're handy. The third problem is not controlling humidity levels, which leads to mold growth and dust mites. Keeping indoor humidity between 40 and 60% using dehumidifiers or humidifiers helps prevent this. BigHomeProjects.com hooks you up by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making it way easier to find help for fixing indoor air quality issues or any other home improvement needs. Plus, it gives contractors a solid platform to get more work and grow their business by reaching people who actually want what they offer.